how to set permissions in monday.com. So first go to your dashboard, then choose your workspace, and then click on your board. So here you can set your permissions by clicking on the three dots here at the top right corner, and then just click on permissions here. So take note that the users of this board can only edit what they can view. Okay, so but of course for board owners, they can view and edit everything on the board. Okay, so for example, you have a freelancer that you've invited to the board. So if you want to if you want them to edit everything, just click on the view all tasks on the board. So if you want them to be able to only edit the task that they're assigned to, so click on this one. Okay, so in order for you to choose this, you need to have the enterprise plan, so take note of that. Okay, so once you click on this one, you can choose any of the options here for the editing permissions of the freelancer. Okay, so for example, if you want the freelancer to edit everything on the board, just click on this one. And so if you want the person to edit the board's content without changing its structure, you can choose this one. So if you want that person to only edit tasks or sub items that users are assigned to, click on this one. And if you want to write updates, if you want that person to write updates on tasks only, click on this one. Then after that, just click on save, and you're done. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.